am going to demonstrate my Knights project. So let me first show the output of this puzzle. So here, as you can see that we are able to infer from the knowledge base whether A is a knave or knight, B is a knave or knight for all four puzzles. So this is how we have implement this. So I will just give the overview how we have to do this as per the lecture. Like for the knowledge for the puzzle 3, our task is like to tell the AI that what is the pre-knowledge we have. Like we have to tell the AI that A can be either knight or knave. It cannot be both, so that we can encode like this. Likewise, we have to tell the AI that B can be a knight or knave, but it cannot be both. And this biconditional is also important because this is implying that if A is a knight, then it cannot be a knave, and likewise if not A is not a knave, that implies A is a knight for sure. So this is the part of the pre-knowledge we have to tell the AI, and this is the translation we have to do as part of the problem set. So this puzzle 3 was most time taking. So the hard part was that of translating this sentence. B says A said I am a knave. So here we need to directly translate the sentence into the logic. We don't have to do any logic from our own, like we should not simplify. So how we can do that? There is like four possibility uh, of this sentence, like B can be a knight or knave, A can be a knight or knave. So we have 2 into 2, 4 possibility. So I will tell for the first one, like if we assume that, so we for sure we know that it must be true that among these four possibility any one will be true. That's why we have put this or. So if you assume that B is a knight, A is a knight, then we then we know that A is a knave. So how we can encode is that B is a knight and A is a knight and A is a knave. This is the direct translation, although we know that this is not possible, but we have to directly translate it. So this is how we have to do that. So it was a bit time taking. So this is how I did that. Thank you. Bye.